In a major declaration of strategic intent, the U.S. Department of Defense has earmarked $3.5 billion in its 2026 budget proposal to fast-track the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) initiative, centered around the development of the F-47 sixth-generation fighter aircraft. This massive financial commitment includes $2.6 billion in discretionary spending, with an additional $900 million awaiting legislative approval. Speaking to lawmakers on June 10, U.S. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth referred to the F-47 as a foundational element of America's future military aviation, vital to maintaining a decisive edge in air combat. While few technical details have been made public, the message was clear: the F-47 is not just another jet, it is the spearhead of a new aerial warfare doctrine. Built by Boeing, the F-47 is envisioned as a sixth-generation combat aircraft that will eventually replace the F-22 Raptor. Beyond raw performance, it's being crafted to function as the nerve center of an integrated combat network. Armed with next-gen stealth features, adaptive engines, and smart avionics, the F-47 will command a fleet of unmanned collaborative combat aircraft, CCAs, acting as a battlefield coordinator while delivering lethal force deep inside hostile airspace. The urgency behind this program stems from China's aggressive advancements in sixth-gen fighter technology. Intelligence indicates that the Chengdu J-36 and Shenyang J-50, China's response to NGAD, have already entered testing phases. The J-36 reportedly uses a trijet configuration and an advanced wing shape optimized for stealth and extended range, while integrating potential laser defenses. The J-50, meanwhile, appears tailored for carrier operations, featuring a compact frame with thrust vectoring engines and stealth contours. These developments have prompted the Pentagon to escalate efforts to ensure U.S. air dominance does not erode. The F-47 is purpose-built to penetrate highly contested environments, specifically areas protected by China's expanding anti-access/area denial (A2/AD) umbrella in the Indo-Pacific. By leveraging AI-assisted controls, next-gen thermal and power management systems, and extended-range capabilities, the F-47 is designed to outperform both its American and foreign predecessors in speed, survivability, and kill-chain execution. What makes the F-47 especially formidable is its digital integration. It is being built to function within a dispersed web of allied sensors, drones, and command systems, sharing data in real time through encrypted links. This connectivity allows the F-47 to detect, track, and engage threats before they can respond. Unlike China's emerging platforms, whose integration with unmanned systems and networked warfare remains speculative, the F-47 is designed from the ground up for interoperability with NATO and allied forces. From a geopolitical standpoint, the F-47 serves as a linchpin in preserving America's freedom of movement in any potential confrontation, especially in flashpoints like Taiwan or the South China Sea. As China closes in on deploying combat-ready sixth-gen jets, any delay in U.S. technological deployment could jeopardize access to critical forward positions. The F-47 is intended to ensure that never happens. The program builds on the industrial base established through previous aircraft projects such as the F-35 and the B-21 Raider. It utilizes digital engineering practices, modular component designs, and a flexible software architecture to streamline development and reduce long-term maintenance costs. These efficiencies are expected to accelerate the aircraft's path to full production within the next 10 years. Ultimately, this $3.5 billion investment isn't just about fielding a more advanced aircraft. It's about asserting that the U.S. will not cede aerial dominance to any adversary. As Beijing continues its push toward parity in the skies, Washington is doubling down, designing the F-47 not merely to compete, but to lead, ensuring superiority across air, sea, and space well into the future.